If you've ever found yourself in a situation where the voiceover talkback feature has been enabled and every time you tap or try to do something, it's going to do this here for you and you have no idea what to do next. So the first thing I want you to do, and this is for the Galaxy A54 smartphone, is long press the volume up and down keys to turn this feature off, as you might have accidentally turned it on and enabled it by that mistake. Okay, if that doesn't work, however, basically now we'll have to take it from the start. So wherever you are currently at the moment, the first thing you need to do is get into the main settings of your Galaxy A54 smartphone and find that talkback to disable it. So from here on, when this feature is enabled, you'll need two fingers to navigate instead of using one finger. So in order to bring down your quick panel access, you'll have to use two fingers and pull it down like this here. And we want to get into this settings icon right up here at the top right. Okay, so you want to try to find that here. Okay, and when you find it, you'll single tap it and then you will double tap it. So when this feature is enabled, you'll have to single tap the option and then double tap to enter. All right. Now, the next thing we want to do is go down until we see accessibility. And once again, to go down, up or down, we'll use two fingers to navigate. So here we go. And we'll keep doing this until we see the accessibility option. So keep going down until you see this right here. Once you see this accessibility settings here, you'll single tap and then double tap. That'll take you to the next spot that we want to go to next. From here on, you should see TalkBack right there. So you'll single tap it and then double tap it. That'll take you into the TalkBack feature. And of course, first turn this off. So tap here and then double tap it. So make sure you hit on the switch itself. And then you'll see this show up here. You want to go with turn off and then double tap. All right, and now it's off. Now, just in case you don't want to make this mistake again and turn it on first, make sure your shortcut here, right here, tap here. Make sure the press side key and volume or hold down the volume keys are disabled, okay? And if you can't get into here, of course, you'll just turn on the shortcut here, allow it, and just uncheck this here and make sure that it's no longer available. So in order to do that, you'll have to check at least one of these, which I would recommend leaving it on this here so that it won't ever be accessed again. And then uncheck this one here and then turn off the shortcut and come out of here, and then holding down the buttons, the volume key buttons, shouldn't access that ever again. All right, and hopefully that solved your issue. Like and sub.